This is a practice problem for lesson 18.2, shifting equilibrium, and the question is, for each of the following systems, there are two of them, tell whether the reaction will shift to the left, reactant side, right, product side, or will experience no shift at all. In each case, all reactants and products are gases. So our first system we have up here is 3A plus 2B yields C plus 2D plus 20 kilojoules, and this is a reversible reaction as indicated by the arrows. And first off, our situation is that the pressure is decreased, and that's going to shift this to the left, because since pressure is due to the number of particles per unit area, a reduction in pressure will result in a shift that attempts to restore the pressure by increasing the number of particles present. So the system will shift to the side with a greater number of particles, and since there's more particles over here, this is then going to shift to the left. Our second situation is what if the temperature is raised? That's going to shift this one to the left, because if energy is added to the system, aka the system is going to be heated in an exothermic reaction, and this in this case is an exothermic reaction, the system will shift to the left to reduce the stress. The last situation for this one is what if D, this substance up here, is removed from the system, and that's going to shift this to the right. Because if a product is removed, the equation will shift to the right to replace it, so it will make more product to make up for the reduction in product that you took away. And the second system is A plus B yields 2C plus D plus 14.6 kilojoules, and this again is a reversible reaction. And the first situation is what if the pressure is increased, and that's going to make it go to the left, because it shifts to decrease the pressure by shifting to the side with less particles, and there's less particles on the side because there's no coefficients where there are here. So this is 3 and this is 2 over here. Second situation is what if the temperature is lowered? And that's going to shift to the right because this reaction again is exothermic, and cooling the system will cause a shift to the right to maintain that equilibrium. If D is added to the system, it's going to shift to the left because a shift to the reactant side, aka the left, to use up the excess product and reduce stress on the system. So if you add something over here, it's unbalanced, so it's going to want to use it up and make more.